My name's Etienne, a product marketing manager at SOLABS. In this video, I'll walk you through changing a user from the database login type to SOLABS identity login type. I'll first go through the administrator's perspective that changes the account type, and then through the user's perspective as they reset their new password and access QM10. Let's begin. So first off, as an admin, I'm logged into a qualification environment, and I would like to change Adam Duffy's login type. So I'm going to select the login type here and change it. This will then have me choose whether I want to grant this user SharePoint privileges as well. So that's something you're going to have to decide for your user. And then from there, one of the key changes between database and SOLABS identity is you need to have an email address format. So as a database user, it was fine to have a name such as just a Duffy, but now I need it to be at solabs.com in our example. Another change is now the email address field is mandatory, so we're going to need this one as well. So here, no other changes are necessary for me, so I will submit and send this through. Once you submit this, this will invalidate the session for the user that you are creating. So you just have to be wary of that if they are currently working, and you will need to enter a reason for change. Here we go. Now that the action has been done, the user will receive an email notification telling them that it has been changed and they have actions to do. Now, let's look at it from the perspective of the new user. So here, this user that just got reset into SOLABS identity will get an email. It will tell them the URL, give them the URL to their QM10 environment, and then the instructions to set their new password. This also contains a temporary password that you should be copying because we'll be needing to paste it shortly. First things first is within QM10, you will have to enter your email. So I will do that here. Now, a common mistake is users are copy pasting their email address instead of typing it in, and they leave a space either before or after. If that's the case, you will be getting whatever password you enter, the login error, because that's not the proper username because you've added an extra space, and you will not get an explanation of why this is happening because we're protecting information. We don't want to give away your email address to users. If you do that multiple times, especially if you're copy pasting in the same thing, you will eventually get locked out and your admin will have to unlock your QM10. So that will prevent you from moving forward. In the event that you do enter things correctly, all you have to do at this step is enter your username. Whatever password you enter here does not matter. It will recognize the username of a user that doesn't have a password yet and prompt the password manager. From here, enter your email address one more time. And we copied a temporary password from the email a second ago. So this one here that I copied. So I will now be pasting it in here under password. All that's left for me to do is click set password, and it will give me a set of rules to respect as I am creating my new password. So let's go with that. So I've now created my password and should be able to continue. Once this is done, all you have to do is continue logging in, and your password is almost done. Here you have one last step to fill, which is choosing your self-service password recovery questions. So you're going to have to pick a couple of questions, fill in the answers that make sense. So let me quickly go through these. Once you've successfully entered the answers to all of your questions, if you now click to continue login, you will be accessing your QM10 environment. And from here on, the password that you've set will be working and your change from database user to SOLABS identity user is complete.